Good afternoon, student. As you know that your force and pressure chapter force part is over, and now we will discuss about your pressure part. Then basic thing is that what is pressure. Suppose you want to cut a apple with a knife, then which part of your knife is able to cut the apple? No, the sharpen area, the sharpen edge of the knife is able to cut the apple within easily within short interval of time, but its opposite side cannot cut the apple because it cannot exert so much pressure on the knife. Suppose I told you to stand on a pin. On a pin you have to stand, then the pin will enter easily to in your foot. So that's why if you stand, thousands of pins are there, and I told you to stand on thousands of pin, on above thousands of pin is present on a surface, then the pressure is not exerted by the pin on your foot, so it will not enter to your foot. But when you are standing only on one pin, then pin will enter easily to your foot. So this is only because due to the pressure. Then what is pressure next? Now pressure is the force applied for unit area on an object. Then student, what is pressure? Please note down here. Now the pressure is defined as the force applied for unit area, and two factors the pressure is depends. What are the two factors? The magnitude of the force and area on which it is applied. How much magnitude, how much force you are applying. If the larger amount of force you apply, then large amount of pressure is created, and the surface area on which your pressure is applied. And the now unit, the SI unit of pressure is Pascal, or it is shortly written as PA. There another system of unit there is CGS. CGS means, remember student, CGS means centimeter gram second, and SI unit is international system of unit. The whole world follows this unit, and CGS also it is a local unit. Somewhere it is used. CGS unit of pressure is dyne by centimeter square. As we know that pressure formula, pressure equal to force per area. So what is the SI unit of force? Newton. And what is the SI unit of area? Meter square. So it is also another unit of pressure. And in CGS system, the SI unit of force is dyne, and the unit of area is centimeter square. So there is 3 units of pressure. One is Pascal PA, or Newton by meter square, or in CGS system dyne by centimeter square. Please note down the 3 units of pressure. Next we will solve some problem. A force of 1000 Newton is applied on an area of 5 meter square. Calculate the pressure. So student, what is given according to question? Now, Newton means F is given 1000 Newton, and area is given 5 meter square. Then pressure P equal to force by area. So 1000 Newton divided by 5 meter square. 5 it is cancelled. 200 Pascal, because it is Newton by meter square. So Pascal equal to, we know, Newton by meter square. So we convert it into 200 Pascal. So student, whenever like that question will come, first you have to see the units of the physical quantities, means force and area, as they must be present in their SI unit or not. If they are not present in their SI unit, you have to convert them into SI unit. Then you have to put in the formula and get your answer. And at last what you have to find? Suppose you have to find the force, then at last you have to write with the answer that this much Newton of force needed or required, or like that. So which quantity you have to derive, that quantity SI unit you must have to write. It is the rule of physics. Let's take some few example of our real life or in our daily life. If a hill is pointed nail like that, it will more difficult to walk on a sand beach, or in a clay beach. It is very difficult, but in a flat hill issue, it is very easy to walk. Suppose this is a pin, we have to enter it in a wall, then this is too much easy to enter if I strike in a hammer here. But this pin have no pointed one, only it has a flat surface. So this flat surface is not easy to enter in a wall. So here some example we are taking that pressure is not created in that flat surface, but in the pointed one pressure created, in that pointed one pressure created. So it will enter easily to any other surfaces. So student, today you came to know what is pressure and what is the formula for finding pressure when force and a given area is given, and some example how related to our daily life also you got few idea. And next class we will discuss about the air pressure and different other pressures. Thank you for watching this video.